Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This saw here was my dad's saw, probably from the 70s or 80s. So it's a good, I don't know, 40, 50 years old, I guess. It looks rough. It is rough. However, it was rarely used and the teeth are extremely sharp right now. What I intend to do is, this is going to be a quick video. There won't be much talking on my part, maybe no talking at all. Maybe I'll just start working on it and play some music. But my intention is to take it apart, remove the rust off the blade, throw it into some CLR first, and then use a steel wool pad to try to clean it up a little bit more, lubricate it afterwards, take the handle off, sand the handle down, give it a couple of coats of polyurethane, and then put it back together. So that's the intention. It won't be a long video, and hopefully this will look good as new. I've used it outside a few times. It works real great, but looks terrible. Anyways, that's the plan. Hopefully this will slide out now. All right. So some used CLR. I do have some more. I need a tray to fit this though, right? Okay, hold on. This is all I could find. It's the Home Depot version of CLR. Put that in there. Throw this in there. And let's put this aside. So, nice. Let's try this one. Might have enough. It's all drying on me, all this stuff, eh? It's been in there for a few hours. We're going to start off with an SOS pad. I'm going to rinse this off. Let me rinse this off and be back. Yeah. You know what? Let's take this to the buffing wheel. Let's see if we can get this a little bit cleaner. Let us give a coat of some water-resistant silicone sealing to it. So we never said this is going to look like brand new, but handle looks brand new. Looks beautiful. The saw, hold on, let me get some light here. The rust is gone, super sharp. I mean, the rust ate away at some of the metal. That's where you see some scar. There's some scarring. Yeah, like it. Out to the shed. Let's do some pruning. Anyways, guys, thank you for joining. Super simple, nice, easy restoration, or not even a restoration. Just cleaning up some tools. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.